so with these third ones again, we're looking at this show that thing again. All right. Now we could work. This one doesn't have any unknowns in it. All right. So because there's no unknowns, we could actually work on the right hand side and get to the left, or we could work on the left and get to the right. Okay. So factorising with surds we've not really done. That's not part of our remit at the moment. So we're looking at taking this factorised form and just showing that I can put it in the same form as the right hand side. So like I've said before, we kind of take that and we kind of ignore it it's even there. Alright? We just have to get to it at the end. So we only refer to it at the very end. Alright? So, what do we do? Anyone want to start us off? Annie?
You have to do FOIL.
So we expand the brackets. Okay, so we've got 4 times 5 is 20. Root 12 times minus root 3.
Root 6.
Root 12 minus times root.
Wouldn't it be root 6?
Why would it be?
You do 12 times 3 in a root, and then that equals 36, and then that equals 6.
So not root 6.
Oh, sorry, yeah, just
Right.
6.
Okay, so...
Oh, that's very wrong.
Wait, so what is it?
Well, this would be minus root. I think this is what Ali was saying. This would be root 36. So the 12 times the 3, and minus because that one's a minus. All right. We'll do it afterwards though. We'll simplify one step at a time. And then I'll do plus, well, root 12 times 5. 5 root 12. Not root 60 or 60. It's as simple as 5 root 12. And then this one is as simple, minus 4 root 3. Okay?
Wait, so sorry, is there a difference between, like, see the ones at the top, how nothing's going over the top of the number, and then the ones at the bottom, how you draw, like,
It's just because on
Is
the
that just how they
computer,
do it?
yeah, it's just
Okay.
the computers work their fonts block, 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 so they can't really do the line over the top. Okay, so we simplify this, so we know that this is 6, so we've got 20 minus 6, 5 root 12 minus 4 root 3, so that's 14 plus 5 root 12 minus 4 root 3. So even at that stage we've got the 14 bit sorted. Alright, so now what we have to do is get the 5 root 12 and the minus 4 root 3 to be root 3.
Oh, we're not trying to work it out, we're trying to show they're the same?
Yes.
Oh, so it has to look like that in the
Yeah. So I've just got to work on the left hand side until I get it to equal the same. Jen?
You would change the 5 square root 6 to a square
5 root 12.
5 root 12 to root 3 instead?
Okay, so this would be 5 times root 4 times 3. Yeah? So root 4 times root 3 is the same as 5 times
2.
2. Root 4 is 2. Then I'm still left with root 3. Okay. This becomes 10 root 3's minus 4 root 3's. And 10 root 3's minus 4 root 3's is?
And 6
6 root 3, yeah. 10 of them, subtract 4 of them. So then my 14, just bring it back down, so I've got 14 plus 6 root 3, which is exactly what they wanted me to have.
How do you know that's what they want you to have, though?
Because it's written up there.
Oh, sorry. I didn't see that.
Yeah.
Gotta worry.
Oh, the thing is, it's about practicing these show that questions. Now, it's a little bit tricky because me and Miss Harrison want to do something on show that questions, and there are different types of show that questions. So, in the algebra, it will show that from a shape you can build up this equation. Surd show that questions are slightly different, so we can't always say show that means this. Right? Yes.
I don't know if this is going to be okay, but how do you? It's for a different question. How do you solve x on one of the ones where it's adding two fractions? Like,
Yeah, when
you know, I don't know how to find x because there's too many x's, like 5x squared and 2x. I don't know how to make it.
Well, sometimes you have to factorize, sometimes you have to collect them together so there's only one. Yeah. The harder ones are when you have to factorize it to get only one x on the outside instead of having two. Yeah.
Are we done with this booklet?
We're done. Right. So now, so your test is when?
Thursday.
The 18th.
I thought it was
Good.
Wednesday.
You got that, yeah? You got that message. Got postponed, yeah? Miss Harrison's group asked for an extra because they didn't want to come in straight from cross country and do the maths test.
Smart.
Okay.
I don't know.
Are you ready?
For you.